Log into your Wix Studio and click Account Settings on top right. In the next page, click API Keys tab and then click Generate API Key. Name it AgentX Integration. In the Permissions part, make sure to check all permissions and then click Generate Key. Once finished, you will see a long-generated API key looks like this. Copy it and navigate to AgentX to edit your agent. In Actions tab, enable lead generation and click Add an endpoint. Choose Wix and paste the API key that you just copied in API key field. For account ID, go back to Wix and click Copy ID at right side, and paste it back to account ID field in AgentX. Next, we need to find your site ID. Go back to Wix and click All Sites. In the drop-down, select the site that you want to integrate. The site ID is located inside the site URL. It looks like this. Select and copy it, and then paste it back to AgentX. Now you are all set. Make sure to save the changes. Give it a test on your Wix website, and your AI agent should be able to collect lead information from the visitors and save them into your Wix CRM automatically. When a lead is collected, you will receive an email that includes the chat records, as well as a summary of the conversation. You can also find the lead information in Wix CRM. In your Wix site page, navigate to Customers and Leads and click Contacts. You will see the list of contacts, and the lead collected by your AI agent will have a label called AgentX Lead.